From deep beneath the earth, a raw diamond rises, transformed by science, refined with precision, crafted to shape a smile or steel. Across every line, every micron, every hand. Our process is a choreography of precision. From dental kits to industrial shanks, from the smallest restoration to the toughest material.
At Strauss, we know that innovation starts from the ground up, inspired directly by dentists, technicians, students all over the world.
At Strauss, innovation isn't left to chance. It's planned, tested, and constantly challenged until it transforms into pure ingenuity. From dental chairs to aerospace hangars, our tools enable precision where it matters most, restoring confidence, shaping futures.
It always excites me to see how our values of flexibility and precision are transformed to products on a daily basis.
Our values are more than words. They're seen in how we plan, how we build, how we care for each other, and for those we serve. From a raw spark to a trusted tool. From tool to smile. Strauss, precision at every turn.